Hello class, today we are going to listen to the text Help Protect Butterflies. As I read, I want you to be listening for the author's opinion. Remember, the opinion is how someone feels about something. All right, let's read Help Protect Butterflies. Butterflies are important pollinators. They help the plants we eat to grow. Some butterflies are in danger, though. Weather patterns around the world are changing. Changes in weather can cause problems for butterflies. These changes in weather can be a problem for butterflies for many reasons. The changes in weather can cause a drought. A drought is a long time with little or no rain. The plants that caterpillars eat can't grow without rain. These changes in weather can also kill flowers. Then butterflies cannot get enough to eat. The changes in weather also cause strong storms. Storms are a big problem for butterflies. Heavy rain can damage their wings. Even a single raindrop can harm a butterfly, but butterflies can stay safe if there are plants where they can hide. Changing weather also affects the temperature outside. This is another problem for butterflies. The change in temperature can affect when butterflies reproduce and migrate. Butterflies may do these things at the wrong time if the temperature gets too hot or too cold. Butterflies can be in danger from changing weather patterns. Let's help butterflies by protecting the places they live. Okay, now that I've read, I want you to think, what is the author's opinion? How does the author feel about butterflies? And then also be thinking of reasons. What are the reasons the author gave to support his opinion? Now that I'm finished reading, go back and answer your two questions for today's lesson.